Hey guys, what is up? We're back making another video, and today we are going to be opening my Infinity Gauntlet. So this cost like $100 or something. So yeah, and it took quite a while to open. And this is just the effects and stuff it can do. So yeah, it looks pretty nice from here. We're able to close it into a fist and open it, so it's not locked like the other ones. So as you can see, it says articulated fingers. So yeah, so big shout out to Amazon for getting me this Infinity Gauntlet. So yeah, so we're going to be opening this, and I'll see you guys once it's open. Okay, so we just pretty much opened the gauntlet. We're just going to rip this plastic out, which doesn't look too hard of I don't know, work. Doesn't look like it's too much work to do. Oh wow, this gauntlet is huge, like so huge. Oh my gosh. We got it, guys. We legit got the gauntlet. I don't even know how to use this thing. What the heck? These are legit the Infinity Stones. Wow. Okay, so it's currently like, I can't get my fingers into it. I don't know how to use this. Oh wait. I legit don't know how to use this thing. Okay, so you're able to bend the fingers. This is exactly like Thanos' gauntlet. What do you have to do? What the heck? My hand is like way too small for this. Like, compare this gauntlet to my hand. Like, that is like, I think it's like at least 10 times bigger than my hand. How do you even put this thing on? Oh, what? Okay, you don't actually have to put your fingers in it. You just don't know how to use this. Oh, so you just put... This is actually kind of confusing. So it turns out it's not, like, it doesn't work like a glove exactly. Can't, there we go. Okay. Oh, what the? I don't know if that snapping is normal. Okay. This is actually so huge. I thought it would be a little easier to use this, but it's harder than I thought. I thought if you could snap your fingers with this, that would actually be great. Okay, I'm starting to get used to this. Okay, so I just locked it into a fist. So you have to like use force to actually get them into this position. So if I don't want to, this is actually kind of difficult to use. I thought it would be slightly easier. I don't know. Should I bring this to my school? it's cool, but it's just kind of hard to use. Why are this finger's just staying bent? Wait, okay, let me put this into a locked position. And I'm trying to get it out of the locked position if that's possible. Okay, so it turns out you can't move the thumb. My gosh. I can already tell this is a little hard to use. Yeah, I can't wait, let me put all my... Can I put my fingers on more? Yeah, I can. Okay. Okay, this is actually a really hard thing to use, but anyways, yeah, so this is the Infinity Gauntlet. Shout out to Avengers Infinity War and Amazon for, I guess, making this thing. So, yeah. I don't know where the automated sounds are. Like, it's meant to have... I don't know if the stones are, like, glow in the dark or something. We might have missed something in the package. Actually, this thing is for adults. Just keep in mind, this thing's for adults. It's right there on the very top, right there. That's for adults. So yeah, okay. Oh wait, this is okay. I'm just reading the display, like how to use it right now. Turns out you're supposed to. Oops. Wait, let me these instructions. Oh, you need batteries. Okay, this is kind of hard to use. So, on the instructions here, wait, oh, I'm actually so confused right now. So these are the instructions, tips, short button press to activate. Okay. To activate lights and sounds. Okay, so I have to like push the mines. I have no batteries in here. Yeah, you need batteries to use this. Okay, so maybe in like the next video or something, or maybe if I cut the video, I'll get batteries for this thing. I don't know what kinds of batteries it even takes. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so here we are back in the kitchen. So we just got some batteries for the Gauntlet, and it looks pretty nice. You can already tell. It can also make sound. It makes random noises. I'm not sure what that noise is, but yeah, so just gonna put our hand in here. And yeah, these are the stones pretty much. They look pretty nice. They look pretty interesting. So my hand is actually so small for this. Okay, so every time I like curl up my fingers now, it makes a sound. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So, I can bend my thumb now. I thought the thumb wasn't working, but it just turns out you have to, like, have it on for it to work. So, yeah, it looks pretty nice. So yeah. Every time I like every time I go like this, my fingers hurt so much though. But yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Me unboxing my Infinity Gauntlet. And yeah, hashtag Avengers Endgame.